In front of me is XIAOMI Mi A2 Lite, and let me show you how to activate automatic system updates on this phone. So first of all, just open the settings, then find and select System, and here enroll Advanced. Now mark developer options. However, if you cannot find developer options here, no worries, just take a look at our tutorial on how to turn on developer mode, and then click to open. Now scroll a bit lower, and here you will notice automatic system updates. Just click, and from now on, as only the indicator is active, your updates will be applied automatically as only device restarts. So this is it, that will be all. This is how you can activate automatic system updates. If you'd like to switch them off, just unmark the icon. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.